Hi cuties and welcome back. Today I have a really exciting partnership to share with you. I partnered up with Gona Jewelry and they sent me a lovely charm bracelet and earrings for me to share with you. So if you're interested in seeing this gorgeous jewelry, keep on watching. Gona is a Parisian jewelry company that's known for its unconventional designs and signature charms. Each piece is a unique memento for celebrating life, love, family, and every occasion. Each item is handmade and eco-friendly, and it even carries a happiness guarantee. Gona has its own factory with 10 years of jewelry craft and production experience, and they pride themselves on the expertise and the high quality of their jewelry artisans. Each product follows the designer's concept and aims to reflect his creativity and inspiration for the jewelry. Gona is committed to providing the best jewelry and the best services to every customer. They offer 30 days, no reason, money-back guarantee return, and 12 months of manufacturer's warranty. Now the holiday seasons are not quite close to us yet, but they are approaching swiftly. Just think about it. Summer is already over, so you need to start thinking about what gifts you're going to be choosing for your loved ones for the holiday season. These will also work great for birthdays, anniversaries, and any special occasion. When you order your Gona jewelry, because you will, you're going to receive it in these beautiful Gona jewelry bags. So it takes the guesswork out of having to pack something nicely and go buy a gift bag and get it all together for the person you're gifting it to. Also receive your jewelry in these beautiful Gona gift boxes. It's a really pretty, nice and sturdy box. Open it up and you have your green velvet inside with a little satin loop that holds your jewelry in place. Now of course mine are not in this box because I'm wearing my beautiful Gona earrings. Let me tell you a little bit about the jewelry. First off, they sent me these beautiful dolphin charmed earrings. These are so playful and absolutely stunning. These charms you can actually detach and add them to your bracelet, or you can wear them on your earrings as shown, or you can actually take them off and wear the earring alone. It has a crystal detail right on the front of it. You also have crystal detail on the actual charm part there, and a beautiful enameled dolphin. Now there are so many styles to choose from that you can add to your earrings. You can add additional charms. You can buy charms and switch them out, and they're just the perfect size. Now let me show you the bracelet. This is how it looks on. So this is the bracelet. Look how beautiful these charms sparkle. It's a gold bracelet with gold charms, and each charm has a very special and unique design. So you can really mix and match all of your charms, and you can, like I said, add the earring charms to this just to add a story. You're really adding a story to your bracelet. You're telling a story with your bracelet. Look how beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a perfect gift for anyone. You really can't go wrong, and the fact that you can choose all of your charms so you can really create a story with this makes it such a personal and thoughtful gift. I would love anyone to give me a gift like this. Now Gona also has chains, so the same way that I said that you can interchange your charms on your earrings, the charms on your bracelet, you can also get a necklace that you can add charms to. That's gonna be next on my wish list to get. This charm is the Blue Coronation of Love. This charm is called Avenue of Stars. Gona has so many fun pieces. They even did a collection on trend with Barbiecore blush. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and I definitely need to get my hands on some of those pieces. So now I know you're waiting for the best part, because I know you're absolutely running off of this video to pick up some Gona jewelry for yourself. But hold up. First, make sure you check the description box so you don't miss out on getting an extra 20% off by putting in the code M20. I absolutely love my jewelry pieces from Gona, so I thank you so much, Gona Jewelry, for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget to go into the description box and save 20% with the code M20. When you get your jewelry, put it on, take a picture, and tag me on Instagram, because I would absolutely love to see it. Until next time, bye.
fancy, 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 fancy.